Your Excellency, I have the singular honor to present to you my letters of credence from your friend and brother, President Muhammadu Buhari, Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces of Federal Republic of Nigeria. My letter of credence addressed to you, accrediting me as the Nigerian High Commissioner to the Republic of Fiji. I also have the distinct honor to present to you, Your Excellency, the letter of recall of my predecessor.
Your Excellency, I am pleased to receive your credentials. I welcome you most warmly to the Republic of Fiji. We wish you a happy and a successful mission. Please convey to the President, the government, and the people of the Federal Republic of Nigeria our warmest wishes for the continued well-being, peace, and prosperity. Bula.
Bula Lanaka.
Bula Lanaka.